Hi guys, David here from FullProxy Labs UK, and today we're going to bring you a bite-sized video on F5's Silverline WAF and DDoS protection. I'm going to utilize one of their free trials and just show you how quick and easy it is to get up and running for layer 3, 4 and layer 7 DDoS and WAF web protection. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing we'll do is upload our WAF policy questionnaire up to the portal. It's a good idea to upload your WAF policy questionnaire in this manner rather than replying to the email back to the SOC. Both achieve the same goal, but in this way we get to keep all of the Silverline files all in one central location, so you can kind of keep a track of what you're doing. Okay, first to upload some prerequisite certificates and keys to the portal. Essentially the website that we're protecting at the moment is HTTPS, so we need to take those certificates and keys and any intermediate certificates and upload them to the portal for attachment to SSL profiles. Okay, so we upload the certificate and the corresponding RSA key. And we'll also upload the intermediate certificate to complete the chain. Click save. Alright, now that we've got our SSL certificates and keys uploaded, we'll create a profile, a client-side profile to start with. Those of you familiar with F5 LTM configurations, this would look very familiar to you. So we'll upload the SSL certificate, client-facing certificate, and just show you some of the options here in terms of the advanced features of SSL offload and bridging. Once we've done that, we'll go and configure the same on the back end. We're not using a back end certificate, so we'll just use the built-in certificate from F5 Silverline for this particular demo. Okay, now that we've got our profiles created, we will create a new proxy. These are a per app proxy, so the display name should be relevant to the application name. The backend IP address should be your public address that the web server is accessible on currently. And in terms of scrubbing centers, I would recommend just leaving all 5 available. Okay, that's the proxy configured. What we'll now do is, as you can see, it says there's no WAF policy assigned. So we've uploaded our WAF policy questionnaire ahead of time, and the SOC in the background have created this policy for us. And what we'll do now is assign that policy, and I'll just show you some of the attributes. Most of them can be left at default, but typically if you're well versed in F5 LTM, this will look familiar to you. And bear in mind that standard ports for this proxy policy are 80 and 443 with an 80 redirect. If you do want to use non-standard ports, then the other services tab on the left hand side would give you that option. Okay, and that's the proxy configured now with a WAF policy. Okay, so that's our proxy created. It's now in a deployment pending state, as we can see. So what's happened in the background is when we've clicked save, it's generated a ticket with the F5 SOC, and you will have received an email notification to that effect. Once the F5 SOC have picked that up, which is generally within a minute or two, the proxy will be deployed. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and check out the next video in our series.